It's not just on paper. When you have something in your hands and you see how far that can take you or what you can create on your own, it makes things real.
ACE Center students are juniors and seniors who excel using their minds and hands to learn. With 17 career clusters and more than 40 career pathways, you can choose a class that fits your talents and interests.
So me personally, I can't sit in a classroom. I need to go out and actually do something. So coming out here, working with my hands, doing something physical, it's a lot more helpful for me.
I was super unsure about how I wanted to continue forward after high school. I eventually landed on web development and programming, and it was awesome. I remember going to the summer orientation for the first time before I even walked in here as a student. I was like, this place is so cool. As an ACE Center student, you'll never have to wonder, why am I learning this? When will I use it? You'll use what you're learning to begin your career after high school or further college study. You'll alternate between taking classes like math, science, and English at your home school and attending the ACE Center every other day.
It builds into your schedule. I was still able to graduate with an advanced diploma.
And you'll learn from teachers who've actually been in the industry and really know how to get you prepared for your next step. There are 3 centers with new, state-of-the-art facilities: ACE at Hermitage, ACE at Highland Springs, and ACE at Virginia Randolph. Classrooms are set up like professional work sites with studios, kitchens, shops, and more. ACE offers programs that can be completed in 1 year or 2 years, and there's no previous experience required to apply. You can apply to attend an ACE Center in the 8th, 10th, or 11th grade. Students are chosen to attend an ACE program through a lottery selection process where all eligible students will be randomly selected. Here's what's really exciting. A lot of ACE students learn the skills and earn the credentials to accept employment offers and start earning a paycheck in their career field even before they graduate. Whether you're going to college, the military, or straight into the workforce after high school, you'll be ready to crush it as an ACE completer.
The need for trades is growing. It's just getting bigger and bigger. You're probably not going to be without a job.
And it doesn't only give you this work to do, but it also gives you a little family.
My favorite part of the ACE program is being able to disconnect from my home school and come and meet other people from other schools. We all kind of conglomerate around here, and we kind of make a little bit of a family here.
Are you ready to join the ACE Center family? Choose from one of the following programs: greenhouse management, landscaping, air conditioning, refrigeration, and plumbing, CAD, computer-aided drafting, 3D animation, carpentry, electricity and cabling, masonry, plumbing and fire protection sprinkler fitting, graphic communications, radio broadcasting and journalism, TV media production, game design and web development, commercial photography, legal systems administration, medical systems administration, entrepreneurship and digital marketing, early childhood education and services, teacher apprenticeship, emergency medical technician, nurse aide, pharmacy technician, practical nursing, sports medicine, veterinary science, physical and occupational therapy, culinary arts, event planning and tourism marketing, master barbering, cosmetology, cybersecurity systems technology, criminal justice, firefighting, precision machining technology, welding, high-tech academy, auto body repair, automotive technology, motorsports technology, diesel technologies, heavy machinery. To read a full description of ACE programs, visit henricocte.com. Join the ACE Center family and graduate enlisted, enrolled, and/or employed.